Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be going over this EROBSKJ electric portable can opener. So I do want to thank EROBSKJ for actually gifting this to me. So what we essentially have here is a one-touch rechargeable electric can opener. So how it works is that you have the magnet here that helps it hold onto the can itself. Then of course you have the gear and knife that actually opens up the can. You also have the can opener technically. So notice if you recall, like after you open up a can, you still gotta like pry it open sometimes. That's what this little hinge here is actually used for. So it's a one touch and it is rechargeable via Type-C cable that's included. But overall, I'd say that a lot of my can openers, of course, you have to use it manually, but they also tend to rust. And so this is what I was looking for as far as something that I can just keep in my kitchen jar, put it onto a can, and then press it once, and it'll actually go ahead and open up the can. But overall, very pleased with it. Just make sure that you do keep it charged. And once the auto stop is set, you can just use the prying thing or the prying latch here to actually go ahead and pry open the can. But overall, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.